Welcome to Corolla 9. Today's episode, we're going to maintain the MAF sensor. For more videos like these, please subscribe this channel and share these videos. Let's go! First thing we're going to do is to open the hood. That's the MAF sensor over there. Let's remove the connection of the MAF sensor. Press this tab and then pull the MAF sensor out. There you go. The next thing to do is to remove the MAF sensor from the airbox. Now that we have removed all the bolts, all you have to do is to pull the MAF sensor upwards. And here we go. Here is now the MAF sensor. Now to maintain the MAF sensor, all you have to do is to find yourself a contact cleaner. I personally use WD-40, or you can use the MAF cleaner, MAF sensor cleaner. But me, I will use the contacts cleaner because I will also clean the contacts here. So the first thing to do is to clean those little wires inside. I don't know if you can see it. We're gonna clean it by simply spraying on it. One note, however, is that you should keep away the spray cleaner from the paint of your car because it may damage the paint. Alright, so let it show. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but there are two little wires inside that we have to saturate with cleaner. Now, after saturating it with contacts cleaner or MAF sensor cleaner, you have to throw the liquid out. Okay, this contacts cleaner will easily dry out, so you don't have to wait for the thing to dry. Now the next thing to clean is this one. Okay, so it should be clean now. Alright, so the next thing to do to clean is to clean the contacts here, the pins for the electrical connection. Right? Let us just wait for at least 30 seconds for this to dry out. Then after this, we can return it to the MAF sensor compartment. Because the MAF sensor is already clean, let us now return this to the compartment. Just make sure that already sits in place without even putting on the screw. There's a rubber gasket here, so make sure that the gasket will go inside here properly. Now let's put back the screws. Now let's put back the connection. There you go. Now there's one more thing remaining. Okay, so we're done. That's how you maintain the MAF sensor of Corolla 9 generation years 2001 up to 2007. If you learned something today, please subscribe to our channel to support it, make it grow, share this video to other Corolla 9 users. God bless. See you next video.